Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into the QQQ ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 2, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any critical updates that could have an impact on your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 1, 2023, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate with a score of 1.04. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has witnessed a gain of 3.24%. This equates to an average daily return of 0.15% since it was marked as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential rise in the future. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 16.57% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 11.88% to 19.97%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 39.43% change over the next year, with a potential return between 26.3% and 43%. This translates to a price range of $508.46 to $575.70 after 12 months. Our latest update for QQQ reveals a headline, Red Day on Tuesday for QQQ. On the last day, Tuesday, January 2, 2024, the price of the QQQ ETF fell by -1.69%, dropping from $409.52 to $402.59. This marks 3 consecutive days of decline. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 1.46%, reaching a day low at $400.24 and a day high of $406.09. Despite rising in 6 of the last 10 days, the overall performance for this period shows a decrease of -0.68%. Volume saw an increase of 15 million shares on the last day, albeit with falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $22.91 billion worth of shares, totaling 57 million, were bought and sold. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached for the ETF was $412.92, while the lowest was $260.34. Currently, the price stands at 2.5%, or $10.33, below the 52-week high of $412.92, which also happens to be the all-time high for the ETF. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. This indicates a general buy signal for the ETF, giving a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $408.85. On the other hand, if it falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $395.27. Breaking above the short-term average will send a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average will send a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development of the ETF. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a decline of -2.17% so far. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is found. It is worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the ETF's performance. Today, I want to share some interesting signals with you. One signal that you might find valuable is the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator is also worth noting, as it provided a buy signal 9 days ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago, while the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 42 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 39 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. On this chart, the short moving average gave a buy signal 42 days ago, and the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 41 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 28 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $364.70 and $359.97. When an ETF tests a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If this support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $364.70. If that support is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $359.97 and $343.66. QQQ is usually traded at a good volume, and its daily changes are minor, resulting in low risk. In the last day, the ETF moved $5.85, 1.46%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 0.789%. Before we discuss the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's first go over some essential fundamental data. One crucial aspect to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio could indicate a lower expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for QQQ. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $403.39. If you're not already invested, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this level could be a good opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $364.70. If this support level holds, it could be a great entry point, with potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $388.27, which represents a decrease of 3.56%. This particular ETF exhibits relatively low daily movements, making it a low-risk investment option. Additionally, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it seems that there may be a buying opportunity for the QQQ ETF. Our analysis of the volatility and recent movements indicates that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 3rd, we anticipate the QQQ ETF to open up $0.383 and commence trading at $402.97. Before we begin, it's important to keep in mind that trading comes with inherent risks, including the possibility of losing money. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's essential not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Let's engage in a meaningful conversation. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead. Thank you for being a part of our community.